Hello everyone, my name is Harsh Patel, finally a final year MBBS student of Xiamen University China. And this is a day in my life of MBBS student in which I'll study for a bit, get my life together for final year MBBS, share about my major problems that I need to take care of, go out to a cafe and beach. So make sure that you watch the video till the very end. I woke up around 7 am, did my daily morning routine, packed my bag, and went to the study area to complete my daily study target, which I have kept it relatively less as compared to the other days as final year MBBS begins tomorrow. I also vlogged my first day of final year MBBS, which you can see by clicking on this I button. So, if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. I started off studying ops in which I was studying RH negative pregnancy, in which I learnt about RH antigens, RH negative pregnancy, complications of RH negative pregnancy, and how to prevent RH negative pregnancy complications. Well, I found narrow lectures very useful in learning all the concepts. With a coffee in my hand, I need to deal with three problems. Problem number one. My summer vacations are almost over, and within a span of 3 days, I'll be entering into the final year MBBS, which means new subjects, उनको पढ़ने के लिए new strategies, उनको समझने के लिए नए video lectures, new books. I have to go through them all and build all the basics from the ground zero. Problem number two. I was having my final year examination in the month of July. And in the July end, we do get a typhoon warning. जिसकी वजह से our final examination, which was of medicine, got postponed. Typhoon just got over and like I'm outside the campus visiting over here. देखने के लिए क्या की कार what happened. See, a tree over here was fallen. गिरा हुआ है अभी यहाँ पे. So ऐसे ही campus round कि campus में क्या क्या चीज़ें हुई. Let's see how the typhoon is gone. So it's safe to roam around. छोटा सा tree, one more. वहाँ पे 2 or 3 I guess some big trees have beautiful places inside my college campus. Tree number 11, tree number 12, tree number 13. 13 trees up until now and still counting. ये तो लेट गया है. One of the best places in entire campus, this cafe. The weather. One more गिरा हुआ पेड़. For the entire summer vacation, and it was meant to be held as soon as the semester starts, so I have to prepare for that as well. Or उसमें included entire cardiology, entire respiratory and GI. These are the 3 organ systems which are included in the medicine final term examination, so I need to divide my time in order to prepare for them as well. Problem number 3. Last but not the least, this is going to be my final syllabus, so I want to log it as much as I can and store it in my memories, क्योंकि इसके बाद MBBS will be over and I'm not going to be a medical student anymore. So I want to have everything captured inside the camera. Currently I'm going to the study area where I'll be studying for a bit. Obs and gynae start कर रखी है मैंने. So I'll go and study. And these are the study area built below almost every single dorm for the students to come, sit and study and get their work done. Going to start with publishing my video. I was studying maternal adaptation in pregnancy, obstetrics and radiology integration part 1, and I feel like already dead. Now I'm going to study pediatrics, that is comparatively easier. I got myself one more coffee, a diluted one. Routine newborn care. After talking to you all for a while, I started studying routine newborn care from PEDS, in which I learned about normal observation of newborn baby, like temperature must be between 36.5 to 37.5 degrees Celsius, respiratory rate must be between 40 to 60 per minute, and different kind of head swellings, reflex of the newborn baby, etc. Got done with my first lecture of pediatrics, which was related to routine newborn care. Now I'm going to management of baby babies. After this, I went back to my dorm and got ready, and then I saw it has started to rain outside, which made the weather more pleasant to go out. Around 3 pm, the rain finally stopped and I went for my outing. An outing with the major goal of getting into a better mental space. Taking few hours off of what we usually do, which is trying to get better than yesterday. Trying to evolve, grow, learn new things, build knowledge, have experiences, and make memories. Memories which will stay with us forever. You know what? In the past 1 year, there is one major thing that I have learned. That is, sometimes you do need to let go of few things, few people, and say yes to new possibilities, new opportunities, new friendships for your own mental health and growth. After all, it is a marathon which we all are running. Extra weight in your head will always slow you down. In order to live your life to the fullest and give your best in every single area, be it academic, non-academic, and most important, without causing trouble to anybody else, you must take that extra weight off. In the end, I would only say one thing to you all and myself as well, is that smile a lot, enjoy a lot, work hard, and always keep trying. Never give up on anything and make the most out of this life. Thank you for watching. See you all very soon.